if I say there is only one show that I liked from the start to till now, like I'm continuing to watch, it would be Lockup. And here's the reason. First of all, Lockup is only entertaining if you have someone to gossip with, okay? आप अकेले बैठ के देख रहे हो and you're just watching edits and enjoying, ऐसे नहीं होता. You need someone, either a friend, a sister, or someone to gossip with, okay? So in my case, my sister, my best friends, we all are watching Lockup, okay? And we are really enjoying it because we get to talk about it and it has become a part of our call. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I'm really grateful कि मेरे last video पे 25 views है. Yeah, I'm happy about it. Okay, so this is going to be a rant session for the show Lockup, and I started watching Lockup solely because of Shivangi and Harshad, because I knew them. That's the easiest thing. I mean, I know them from their show Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, and also Dheeraj and even Pam. Okay, watched Desi Bling and I really liked her character in that. So I really wanted to know how she will perform in this reality show. ये लोग थे and many of the contestants were. So I was familiar with like Leila, Akansha Chamola, Akansha Chaudhary, Yogesh, everyone actually, because I watched them on Splitsvilla. Even Riaz Ali, Shreya Kalra, and many other. I was familiar with them, so I started watching. क्योंकि इतने सारे edits आ रहे थे Instagram पे, like, okay, so am I missing out on something? So I started watching from the episode second. First episode I didn't watch क्योंकि I don't want to watch that stupid award show kind of thingy. You know, I'm not really fond of that. So I started watching directly from the episode 2, and boy, it was very entertaining. I mean, itna kalesh, everything. It was on point. First week, Shreya was my favorite, Shivangi, Harshad, and even Su. So these were my favorites, and slowly, and first जो wild card entry हुई शिल्पा जी की, I was like she was fine. I was like ठीक है यार, like she was irritating, to be honest. I didn't like her at all. I don't know why Shreya was with her. Maybe their personalities are very much similar, so इसलिए वो दोनों साथ थे. But I was not really fond of Shilpa at all. And उसके बाद हुई second wild card की entry, which was a very rebel kid, and I was very excited. इतना delay किया वो episode को के 4 दिन से वही प्रोमो दिखा रहे थे, वो जो हटकड़ी वाला एंड वो हाथ पे टैटू वाला, एंड फाइनली दे शोड. And I was expecting some very much takda kalesh between her and Sophie, okay? But it was like puss, huh? They were meeting normally, they were talking normally, so I didn't expect that at all. I was expecting something very much chatpata, something spicy, but it was हुआ नहीं, so I was a bit disappointed. And also that fake friendship acting with Shreya, they were being nice with each other सामने से, and back पे especially अपूर्वा इतनी बुराइयां कर रही थी श्रेया की, and with Pam. And tell let me tell you, okay, अब तक का जो सबसे I think the most hated contestant for me, it would be Shilpa ji, and I have a reason, okay. First तो she judges very quickly. उनको उनके अलावा सभी बेकार दिखते हैं, okay. So her, and I don't really like Ram sir. Okay, I don't know. He is very paltu आदमी. Okay, he was being very nice when he was in a dependent और जो वही पैर वाला जो week था, तो उसमें he was very much nice, behaving nicely with Shreya. Of course, she won 1 lakh plus rupees. But after that, gang के time पे, no, he totally flipped. You know, I was like, अब मेरा क्या काम भाई? It's okay, it's fine. तो वो आदमी बड़ा पलटू लगा. I don't like him at all. And I don't know, man. Like Harshad, he was very much active in week 1, and slowly he became like a Shivani के पीछे हो गया. Okay, he has no individuality left, and like he literally ruined his own game by having like this crush situation with Shivani. Clearly, it is okay. No matter how much they denied calling it like we are friends and this and that, but no, it is very much visible. Who, and ये तो like ये 3 are like my bottom 3, okay. And धीरज, like धीरज ठीक है, he's at least he's not very पलटू, okay. अगर उसको कोई बोल रहे हैं कि एक चीज़, okay, you know, like Apurva said about Ram that ऐसा he does this, so he kept it secret, okay. He didn't went to him टेल हिम दैट ऐसा ऐसा बोला उसने आपके बारे में, सो दैट आई लाइक्ड. ओके, सो माई फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट वुड बी, कैन यू गेस? नो, यू विल नेवर, क्योंकि मेरा कोई फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट नहीं है. स्टार्टिंग में आई रियली स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग श्रेया अलॉट. ओके, श्रेया, आकांक्षा एंड हर्षद, बट वो स्लोली स्लोली आई डोंट नो वेयर इट वेंट. सब अपना लाइक गेम खेल रहे थे, बट उतनी इंडिविजुअलिटी नहीं थी. एंड आफ्टर श्रेयास इट्स फ्रेंडशिप विथ शिल्पा जी, आफ्टर माधुरी जी लेफ्ट, आई डेंट लाइक इट. ओके, इट्स फाइन, दे वर गिविंग द एंटरटेनमेंट घर में, लॉकअप में, but okay, it was fine. So I don't have any favorite contestant, but can I say I like this one guy, like this Leila and Pam. They're like very much good, you know, like they've been consistent since week 1 to till now. Even Akansha Chamula, like she's really amazing. I really like her game. And don't get me started with Akansha Chaudhary and Yogesh Uke. I'm not interested in talking about them at all. Though task mein Yogesh is nice, but Akansha Chaudhary, I can't bear this girl, man. Like इतनी stupid कोई कैसे हो सकता है? Like she's, I don't know उसकी अक्ल कहाँ है. Splitsvilla में they were talking so much, you know. मैं इसकी शक्ल नहीं देखूँगी, this and that, and both ended up in the same show. So मैडम जी, क्या हुआ आपकी बातों को, बड़ी बड़ी बातों. So my constant favorites would be, एक तो वरुण यादव, आकांक्षा चमोला, and I like Sophie also. Like he's fine. I mean, game wise he's doing okay. ठीक है, अब तो eliminate हो गया. So sad about that. And by the way, I haven't catched up on recent episodes. इस recent के बाद, you know, like जो family members visitors आए थे, like Nehal came from for Akansha, Suzanne for Akansha Chaudhary, and it was like pretty spicy. Okay, so उसमें, and yeah, this was it. ये शो था, but it is really good if you like gossip. Okay, I got tons of edits of this series. Okay, मेरे Instagram पर regularly because it was so popular. And okay, even winner का announcement भी हो गया, like Shivangi bro, not Shreya. At least I expected Shreya, though she's not like my most favorite, but I don't even hate her. Okay, she's fine. If I compare to Akansha Chaudhary, I like Shreya. I like her, I liked her, but because of Shilpa only, I'm not very fond of her. So second place पे Shreya is like the most shocking thing to me. शिवांगी, क्या था आपका, बस कुछ कुछ चल रहा था हर्षद के साथ. I don't hate them. I started watching because of them. लेकिन they were literally, but definitely they were not playing real. It felt so fake and very much like acting only. Real कुछ भी नहीं था उसमें. So that's why I was very much disappointed कि मैंने इनके वजह से देखना start किया. And ये आई चेंज माई कंटेस्टेंट्स, लाइक फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट्स तो मेरा कोई है नहीं, बट स्टिल देर आर सम कंटेस्टेंट विच आई लाइक. दे आर नाइस, दे आर प्लेइंग गुड, दे आर गिविंग अस द एंटरटेनमेंट. सो शिवांगी एज लॉकअप सीजन 2 के विनर इज लाइक बिग डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. ठीक है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट हैपेंड. श्रेया डिजर्व टू. श्रेया नहीं तो भी शिल्पा वॉज फाइन. ओके, आई डोंट लाइक हर, बट एटलीस्ट लाइक शी वॉज गिविंग द एंटरटेनमेंट टू द शो. सो वो हो सकती थी. एंड इवन वरुण वॉज नाइस. ओके, सो वरुण, शिल्पा और श्रेया, 3, ये तीनों में से कोई एक बनता ना, आई वुड हैव बीन सेटिस्फाइड. ओके, लेकिन शिवांगी, वाई टू वाई, इट वॉज वेरी मच यू नो ऑलरेडी मेड अप, क्या लाइक प्लैंड. सो इट्स वाई. अब तो विनर का भी अनाउंसमेंट हो गया, क्या ये देखें शो, बट स्टिल फॉर द मसाला आई एम गोना कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग एंड आई विल गिव यू अपडेट इफ देर आर एनी further masala or some chatpatanis left. So that's it for today's video. बहुत ही random rant था ये again because it's very real. I'm not scripting it anything. जो मुँह में बोल दे रहा हूँ मैं. So this is it. Okay, bye and don't forget to subscribe क्योंकि आगे शायद और अच्छे videos आएँ maybe because I'm trying to be regular here. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.